Redfish Profile Introduction. This section is located under the Agentless Management feature category. Click Add to create a new Redfish profile. Choose New for a new profile or Template to apply existing ones. If you select New, where you must import a profile template, select the file and click Open to import. The screen displays details of the imported template. Next, switch to Template to apply a template. The Asus Redfish Profile template is available by default. Click Scan to analyze the online Redfish device. Enter the required details to parse the format. Input the Redfish IP address, choose a scan path, or use the default path. Enter the Redfish username and password. Once configured, click Scan to start. The lower left displays recently scanned profiles, and the lower right shows the scan text structure. Use the top button to expand or collapse the structure. The target ID field matches the path in the left list. Clicking the list arrows syncs navigation in both directories. The target ID path updates accordingly. Click Preview to view the profile application results. The right text structure should match the center default template. Check the hostname in the inventory. With the key labeled hostname, to replace the hostname key, click the left X icon to delete it. Drag the name label from the left to the center to replace it. The hostname key on the right updates automatically. Click Preview again. To confirm the key has changed to name, click Save to preserve your settings. The new Redfish profile appears in the list. Click the item to edit at any time. To export the profile as a JSON file, click Export. Enter a file name and verify the exported file. Download successfully in the browser window. To modify the Redfish profile, rescan the Redfish device to preview changes. Rescan the Redfish device and enter the relevant information. Scan the device using a relative URI path. Such as starting from account service. Use the list labels or structure path as guidance. Enter the Redfish username and password. Then click Scan to start. The Redfish path now starts from account service. To change any other key in the profile, drag and drop labels to replace them and click Preview. To remove a Redfish profile, click Delete and confirm to complete the process. This concludes the Redfish profile tutorial.